Hello everyone, and welcome to the Recalled All channel. In today's video, we will have an amazing journey through the 2025 Audi A5 production process. The Audi plant in Neckarsulm, Germany, is one of the key production sites for the brand, known for producing high-end models with a focus on quality, precision, and advanced technology. The production of the Audi A5, like other premium vehicles, involves a complex and highly organized process that ensures precision, quality, and efficiency. This process is divided into several key stages, each of which is crucial to the final assembly of the vehicle. And now let's step into a detailed explanation of the main production steps involved in manufacturing the Audi A5. 1. Concept and design. Initial design phase. Production process begins with the concept and design phase, where designers and engineers collaborate, create the initial sketches and digital models of the Audi A5. Advanced computer-aided design, CAD software, is used to create detailed 3D models, which help in visualizing the vehicle's aesthetics, structure, and functionality. Virtual prototyping. Before any physical prototypes are made, virtual simulations are conducted to test various aspects of the design, including aerodynamics, safety, and ergonomics. This step helps in refining the design and ensuring that it meets Audi's standard. Two, prototype development. Physical prototyping. After the virtual design is approved, physical prototypes are built. These prototypes are used for testing purposes, including crash tests, road tests, and wind tunnel tests. Feedback from these tests is used to make necessary adjustments before the vehicle goes into mass production. Three, material sourcing. Audi sources high-quality materials from various suppliers. These materials include steel, aluminum, carbon fiber, and other composites used in the body and chassis, as well as leather, plastics, and electronics for the interior. Audi maintains strict quality control over the supply chain to ensure that all materials meet their high standard. Component manufacturing. Key components such as the engine, transmission, suspension, and electrical systems are either manufactured in-house or sourced from specialized suppliers. These components are assembled and tested before being delivered to the assembly line. Four, body shop, body in white, stamping. The production of the Audi A5's body begins with the stamping process. Large sheets of metal, usually aluminum or steel, are cut and stamped into various body panels, such as the roof, doors, hood, and fenders. This process is highly automated, using large presses to shape the metal with precision. Body assembly. The stamped panels are then assembled in the body shop, where they are welded or bonded together to form the vehicle's shell, also known as the body in white. Advanced welding techniques, such as laser welding and spot welding, are used to ensure structural integrity and precision. Quality inspection. The assembled body is thoroughly inspected for any defects or imperfections. This includes checking the alignment, dimensions, and surface finish to ensure that the body meets Audi's stringent quality standards. 5. Surface preparation. The body in white undergoes a surface preparation process, including cleaning and applying a primer to protect against corrosion. This step ensures that the paint adheres properly and provides a smooth finish. Paint. Painting. The body is then coated with multiple layers of paint, including the base coat, color coat, and clear coat. Audi uses high-quality, environmentally friendly paints that provide a durable and aesthetically pleasing finish. Painting process is highly automated, with robots applying the paint to ensure even coverage and consistency. Curing and polishing. After painting, the body is cured in an oven to harden the paint and ensure durability. Painted body is then polished to remove any imperfections and achieve a flawless finish. R6 Assembly Line. Interior installation. Production moves to the assembly line, where the interior components are installed. This includes fitting the dashboard, seats, carpets, and door panels. Wiring harnesses and electronic systems are also integrated into the vehicle at this stage. Powertrain installation. The engine, transmission, and drivetrain components are installed next. This is a critical step where the vehicle's performance elements are integrated, ensuring that they are properly aligned and secured. Exterior fitting. The vehicle's exterior components, such as lights, bumpers, mirrors, and glass, are installed. This step also includes fitting any additional trim and badges that give the Audi A5 its distinctive appearance. Seven, quality control and testing. Functional testing. Each Audi A5 undergoes a series of functional tests to ensure that all systems are working correctly. This includes engine testing, brake tests, suspension alignment, and electronic system checks. Leak testing. The vehicle is subjected to a water test to check for any leaks in the body, windows, and doors. This ensures that the vehicle is fully sealed and weatherproof. Final inspection. A detailed final inspection is conducted to check the vehicle's overall quality. Inspectors look for any cosmetic flaws, verify that all systems are operational, and ensure that the vehicle meets Audi's high standards. 8. Final assembly and customization. Customization. Depending on customer specifications, additional features and options are installed, such as advanced driver assistance systems, custom interiors, and infotainment systems. Audi offers a wide range of customization options, allowing customers to personalize their A5. Software installation. The vehicle's software is installed and configured. This includes the infotainment system, navigation, and any other digital interfaces. Over-the-air updates are prepared to keep the vehicle's software up to date. 9. Logistics and delivery. Shipping preparation. Once the vehicle has passed all inspections and tests, it is prepared for shipping. Protective covers are applied to prevent any damage during transportation. Distribution. The finished Audi A5 is then transported to dealerships or directly to customers, depending on the sales process. Audi ensures that all vehicles are delivered in pristine condition, ready for the customer to drive. 10. After-sales support. Customer service. After the vehicle has been delivered, Audi provides extensive after-sales support, including warranty services, maintenance, and repair. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.